Well, it has been overused because at least some people have been suggesting that digital transformation is just application of technologies to business problems, and that's clearly not the case. Digital transformation is a fusion of technology and business, and therefore it needs to be starting with a business consideration, and that's where it went in some cases awry. Digital transformation is technology and business together for a transformative outcome. There's a big difference between Silicon Valley and Europe in general, because Silicon Valley companies typically start with a greenfield approach. They don't need to consider existing industries and existing processes and existing jobs. European companies are different because Europe has existed for quite a while now, and we have a tradition, we have an infrastructure that has an age, we have processes, we have manufacturing, and very many jobs connected with that. One important, if not the most important aspect of digital transformation and disruptive innovation in Europe is to figure out how we improve what we are doing and how we have a future for a part of the industries that we have. I'm very conscious that not everything that we are doing today can survive and will be an existing factor in the future. However, that's our job to make an effort to see what can be transformed and kept. So this transformation will create entirely new industries that do not exist today. As a consequence, some industries that do exist today will not exist in the future because they will be disrupted, they will be disintermediated. And I can give examples. Transportation industry in the current form cannot exist even though we are sending much more goods and packages across the world today because of the online commerce. But it's very obvious that for sustainability and other considerations we cannot go on as we do, in particular in very densely inhabited areas of the planet such as Europe. There are other activities that involve manual work or routine type of work that can be very easily automated or by the usage of machine learning and artificial intelligence simply eliminated from the value chain. There are other ways digital transformation works, in particular manufacturing industries, where the value chain is integrated into a single piece using the data that is generated throughout the process, and because of that the manufacturer of industrial goods are in the position now to control the entire value chain, and therefore there will be less opportunity for others to be a part of this value chain. There is indeed an issue. We don't know what this transformation does to the job market. Previous industrial revolutions always created more new jobs than they annihilated. However, we don't know whether that's going to be the case this time. One thing is certain. A lot of new jobs will be with new skills required, will be created, and therefore what we need to do is to change our entire educational system to provide new skills to our people so that they can adjust to the needs of the new job market. The new job market is about creativity, not routine work. There will be a lot of machine learning support to do that job well, but therefore simple jobs will be eliminated. It is the responsibility of the European Union and the countries in Europe to think about what the effects of this digital transformation for the job market are and try to change the negative effects that are coming. The next steps in digital transformation will go to even more industries, and therefore it will be a transformation that covers the entire world and all industries. Therefore there will be new connections possible, and therefore we will see unrelated, unconnected industries today get into some joint value chain. So this connected services, the hyper-connected nature of the world and the value chain will be covering the entire planet, and therefore we are heading towards, it will take time, but we are heading towards a single infrastructure and a single economy.